Hi, how to monitor multiple folders at once with Batch and Print Pro and print to different printers from different folders. So to get started, install Batch and Print Pro. Once that's installed, you go into Options menu, Direct to Monitor Setup. Now in here there's lots of options, but it's quite simple. You just need to monitor the path that you want to print. So in here, in DT test 1, I've got 2 files here. So if I put that path in there, I can also browse to it here as well if you want to. I'm going to print all files, so I don't need to set anything else. I just choose my printer. So I'm going to use my default one. Click Add to Monitor List. And that's it. That's one setup. So say if I have another folder, so I've got a test 2 folder here. Let's change that to test 2. I can change the printer to a different printer if I want to. Click Add to Monitor List. So that's now both set up. So I've got test 1 sent to that printer, test 2 sent to that printer. So that's pretty simple. Now to start it, you just activate monitoring. And you set the monitor this is a cycle that would go through so many seconds before I'm checking again. I'm going to leave it at 5. Save and exit. So now you can see it's counting down there. So I print the files from test 1, which is 2 files there. And then I move on to test 2, which it has done there. We've got 2 files there. So if I go into the printers, you can see the files there waiting to print. So I've got 2 files there for that folder, and the testable folder was VG3, copy and VG3, which is those 2 files there. Now say if I put another file in there, I'm going to rename it just to VG9. It will pick that up and print it out to that printer. I'll set in the monitor setup. So that's pretty simple to set up. Now there's a few more options you can set. If you go to Options menu, Direct to Monitor Setup, because in the test 2 folder, there's another subfolder in here. I want to print those files as well. So if I go to test 2, click Include All Subfolders, save and exit. So now it should pick up the files in there as well. It's got those 2 files picked up, and it'll send it to the Sharp printer. Now the reason why it doesn't repeat print is because it logs all the prints in the print log. So then it cross-checks to make sure it's not reprinting the same file over and over. You can also move or delete files after printing as well if you prefer to do it that way. So if you want to remove a setup, you just click on it and click Delete from Monitor List. Or you can press the delete key and that will remove it. And then you can set up a new one, do whatever you want. It's a free trial on the website. Download it, give it a try.